You ever sit down and realize your life feels completely all over the place? Not one big disaster, just messy. Your sleep is messed up. Your energy feels low. Your room gets cluttered. Your mind feels heavy and low-key. You don't even feel connected to yourself anymore. That's the scary part because bad lifestyles rarely destroy people. Instantly, they destroy people quietly through small habits repeated every single day. And most people don't notice it happening because the damage looks normal at first. Sleeping late feels normal. Constant stress feels normal. Eating badly feels normal. Living distracted feels normal until one day, your body feels exhausted, your mind feels overloaded, and your life feels like chaos. That's when people finally stop and ask, what happened to me? But honestly, it usually wasn't one massive mistake. It was small habits slowly shaping your life in the wrong direction. Your lifestyle is not built in one day, it's built through repetition. What you do every morning matters. What you consume matters. What you tolerate matters. Who you spend time with matters. Even the small routines you ignore quietly become your life. That's why two people can live completely different realities just because of different daily habits. One person wakes up with intention, the other wakes up already stressed. One protects their peace, the other constantly feeds their mind noise. One takes care of their body, the other ignores warning signs until burnout shows up, and after enough time, those small choices create two completely different lives. That's the part social media doesn't tell people. Your lifestyle affects your mind more than you realize. You can't constantly live in chaos and expect inner peace. You can't overload your brain 24/7 and expect clarity. You can't treat your body badly and expect good energy. Everything is connected. Your habits shape your emotions. Your environment shapes your mindset. Your routine shapes your future. And honestly, a lot of people are addicted to unhealthy lifestyles without realizing it. Constant scrolling, constant distraction, constant stimulation. Your brain never rests anymore. The moment silence appears, people panic, so they grab the phone again, music again, noise again, because stillness feels uncomfortable now and low-key. That's dangerous because when you can't sit quietly with yourself anymore, your lifestyle starts controlling you instead of helping you. Look at how people live today. Sleep schedules destroyed, stress levels through the roof, no discipline, no routine, no peace. Everybody's mentally tired, but nobody slows down long enough to ask why. And the crazy part? Most people know exactly what's hurting them, but comfort keeps them trapped. Because changing your lifestyle requires discipline, not motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline changes lives. Real lifestyle improvement isn't about looking rich online. It's not expensive clothes, not fake productivity, not pretending to have life figured out. Real improvement is simpler than that. It's consistency. Small healthy habits repeated daily. That's it. And honestly, simple habits change people more than dramatic goals ever will. Sleeping earlier changes your mood. Drinking more water changes your energy. Working out changes your confidence. Cleaning your environment changes your mind. Protecting your peace changes your mental health. Little things matter more than people think, but most people wait for some huge moment to change. A new year, a breakdown, a wake-up call. Meanwhile, life keeps moving and habits keep shaping them every single day. That's why discipline matters now, not later. Now, because your future lifestyle is already being built by what you repeatedly do today. And let's be real, some lifestyles are destroying people emotionally. Always rushing, always distracted, always consuming negativity. That pressure changes people. Slowly, you become mentally exhausted all the time, even when you technically rest, because your nervous system never calms down. Your mind stays overloaded, and eventually, you stop feeling alive, you just feel tired. That's why improving your lifestyle is deeper than appearance. It's about protecting your peace, protecting your body, protecting your energy. Because nobody talks enough about energy. Your environment affects your energy. The people around you affect your energy. The content you consume affects your energy. Everything you allow into your life shapes your mental state. That's why some people feel drained constantly. Not because they're weak, because their lifestyle keeps feeding stress. And honestly, peaceful lifestyles look boring to unhealthy minds. That's why discipline feels uncomfortable at first, because chaos became familiar, late nights became familiar, disorganization became familiar, mental overload became familiar. So when you finally try slowing down, your brain almost resists it. That's how deep habits control people. But once you start changing small things, everything shifts slowly. You wake up clearer, you think clearer, you feel lighter and low-key. Your confidence changes too, because self-respect grows when your habits improve. That's another thing people ignore. Good habits build trust in yourself. Every time you keep promises to yourself, your confidence grows naturally. Not fake confidence, real confidence, because now your actions match your goals. And honestly, lifestyle improvement is also spiritual, because peace isn't only physical. A person can have money and still feel empty, still feel anxious, still feel lost. That's why balance matters. Your body needs care, your mind needs rest, and your soul needs peace too. Without that balance, life starts feeling heavy no matter how successful you look. A healthy lifestyle also means learning what to let go of. Some habits, some people, some environments, because not everything deserves access to your energy. And mature people realize this eventually. Protecting your peace is not selfish, it's necessary. You don't need a perfect life overnight. You don't need dramatic transformation. You just need small daily discipline. One better habit at a time. That's how real change happens, quietly, slowly, repeatedly. And the truth is, your lifestyle either heals you or slowly destroys you. There's no neutral. Every habit is shaping something. Your body, your confidence, your peace, your future. That's why what you repeat matters more than what you promise yourself. So if life feels messy lately, if your energy feels low, if your mind feels constantly overloaded, don't just blame life. Look at your habits. Look at your routine. Look at what your lifestyle is feeding every single day. Because sometimes, the life you want is being blocked by the habits you refuse to change, and honestly, you deserve better than surviving on autopilot forever. You deserve peace, energy, clarity, a healthier mind, a healthier body, a calmer life. But that lifestyle won't appear magically. You build it daily, through discipline, through boundaries, through habits, through repetition. Your lifestyle becomes your life eventually. So be careful what habits you repeat every day.